Don't aliens like to hide under beds and in dark places? Yeah, let's set a trap. We can get the radios and stuff later. Perfect. Now let's go bust that appliance alliance.
And what self-respecting penny pincher doesn't like hiding her goodies under the mattress? Sometimes my job is just too easy. Cariminy!
Alien, get it! We got it! It's Buzz. Yeah, he doesn't look so good.
Help! Help me!
The alien must have taken over his body. Close call, eh, Buzz?
Huh? Oh, yeah, good job. Now all you gotta do is keep away from me. Keep it away from me. Here, take this, and take all this. Just keep yourselves busy. Make yourselves the world's most powerful alien eradicator. I gotta get out of here. Huh?
Whoa! Buzz, it's too powerful! What is all that? Hiya, Uncle Woody. You're up late.
Please, buddy, you gotta help me. All I was trying to do was rob the joint, peaceably like.
You mean you're not a friend of Zach Zobar's?
A crook shouldn't have to go through what these kids put me through. I was just, and the kids were just.
See, kids, I told you there was no such thing as aliens. Now let's get some shut-eye.
Uncle Woody! Come on, hurry up! It's time for the fair! Hey, look! It's Chester the Jester!
Whoa! Welcome to ye old time fair. I'm about all blown out.
Can we help you up? Come on, Chester.
Oh, Knothead, Splinter, that was most chivalrous to help us me, as thou didst. I grant thee 10 tickets each for thy noble actions.
Wow! You're the bestest, Chester.
Hear ye, hear ye. Whosoever winneth the most prize tickets shall be crowned king and queen of the fair. Let the games begin.
Uh-oh. Billy the Bully. And that motor mouth Louie.
What I tell you wooden heads I was going to do to you next time I saw yous?
Buy us lunch? Take us out to the ball game?
No. Lunch does not seem, and ball games, oh, I am certain it was something of a bad nature. Harm was involved, Billy. Oh, yes, possibly plucking.
Nah, you said we'd go swing dancing. Yeah, but we'll take a rain check.
But swing dancing is just so not me, Louie. Hey, wait a minute!
Wow, shooting gallery! I bet we can win the most points today and become king of...
Now I'll show those two bird brains who's what. Load and fire, Louie. Oh!
Ooh. I've always thought I looked good in a cape and crown.
My, that's some chivalrous shooting, young archer. 20 tickets for thee.
Billy! Billy! We're gonna be king! We're gonna be king! Billy?
King this!
Getteth ready, young knights, for ye mighty log-rolling competition.
Okay, I'll keep them two moat dopes busy up top while you tip them over from down below, Louis.
Billy, it is brilliant. I am in awe of your plans, struck with deep and at times disturbing amazement. Frankly, I don't really see how on earth you could do this.
Remember, knights, you can only attack your opponent with your pugil sticks.
When I hit yous with my puking stick, you'll be throwing up things you ate in kindergarten.
Is that the best you can do?
Looks like I won.
I think something's going on down under.
20 tickets for the winners.
I've been wanting to have you two for dinner for a long time! So, did you guess what the main ingredient is, huh? Did ya?
She's gonna eat us. No, she's gonna cook us, then eat us.
Don't you even think about leaving. It's all stormy outside.
We were, just gonna wash up for dinner.
Good idea. I like a nice, clean dinner. Bathrooms that way. Jumpy little tykes.
We gotta get out of here. Knothead, if we don't stop her now, she'll just get us later. Grab the hose out there.
Oh, kids! I'm getting hungry!
We are totally stewed, chewed, and barbecued. Could you not mention barbecues? I'll go keep her occupied.
Whoa! There you are. Where's your brother? It's not dinner without him.
He's, just washing up.
Good. Cleanliness is next to tastiness. I always say. Hey! We're playing my game first! Oh, Woodpecker!
She's got awesome powers, man. This could be our last chance. And we got surprise on our side.
Come on, you two. I'm dying for dinner. Hey, what the? What? Soup's on! Now, where did you little monkeys go?
Oh, we gotta kill Uncle Woody. Ugh. Ugh.
One last guess what's for dinner?
Run or we're cooked. Yeah!
Where you going? Get back here! Oh, stupid game. Took me 6 hours to put this thing together, and it's just too darn scary for them to play. Now who am I gonna get to help eat my vegetable stew?
Super Woodpeckers to the rescue!
Save him, Speedy Splinter!
Roger Ramco, Nimble Knothead.
Cut! 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 There ain't no flying woodpecker scene! Who's directing this show, you or me? Don't answer that. Now you play me and you play Twiggy. No pirates, no flying woodpeckers. This is drama. Play the scenes of my life so the audience can feel my pain.
I feel his pain. Do you feel his pain? Oh, yeah. I definitely feel his pain.
The theater's full, boss. You know what'll happen if they hate our play, Tweaky? What, come midnight, we'll be slow dancing on C Block with a gorilla named Bubba? No! We'll never get to Broadway! There's only one solution. In tonight's performance, the parts of Buzz Buzzard and Tweaky Delackey will be played by, themselves. You two gotta play all the other parts. Come on, Tweaky, it's showtime. Peter Panhandler, the Buzz and Tweaky story. As a baby buzzard, I was abandoned on the doorstep of two gentle
Pirates!
Pirates!
Let's get him! Super Woodpeckers! To the rescue!
No more with the hurting and the chasing. Oh, you're ruining my play. Destroyed.
Now, the big finish! Ta-da!
Oh, magnificent. Pirates and flying and drama and dance. It's the most spectacular show I've ever seen.
Okay, okay. Take us away, Judge.
Not a chance, Buzz. You're a hit.
We want you to direct the next show here, Director Buzz. Yeah. We'll do Death of a Salesman. And we'll play the evil space aliens.
Well, of course. Hey, wait a minute. There ain't no evil space aliens in Death of a Salesman. Ah! Get out of my way, boss! Oh, help me, Twinkie!
Hi, guys.
Hi, Woody.
Hi.
Thanks for watching the kids today.
No problemo.
What happened here?
Oh, I was just having a little snack.
Sheesh.
Hey, are you two wearing Feather Scout uniforms?
Uh-huh.
Well, I was a Feather Scout, too.
Did they offer a badge for gorging on junk food back then?
For your information, Splinter, a Wilderness Woody remains the stuff of Feather Scout legend. Hey, why don't I help you earn a badge or two while we're together?
I guess that'd be okay. Yeah, it's always useful to learn the way of the ancients.
Well, it's a good thing I kept my Feather Scout uniform. Hey, check me out. Fits like a glove, huh? How about we work on the survival badge? That was always my favorite.
There are 3 steps to earning a survival badge. Gather food, build a fire, prepare shelter.
As easy as falling off a log, Knothead. I got this.
Huh? What log? Step 1, gathering food. For a list of edible plants.
You don't learn how to be a woodsman from a book. You live it. You two aren't gonna catch anything with those. Voila!
That rod doesn't seem very wildernessy, Woody.
I'll have you know that.
Hey! I hooked something!
Oh, me too! Oh, please, watch and learn. No catfish is a match for the Rotomatic Ultra Pro 5000! Whoa! Fish on!
Are you calling 911? No. I'm filming!
Okay. Let's keep it simple for step number 2, all right? Twigs, spark, campfire.
Actually, I have matches in my knapsack, Woody. And the guidebook says to... Awesome.
Guidebook, smide book. Ta-da! A thank you. A thank you. How come you're not filming now?
Woody!
Just smell that crackling fire.
That's your head!
My head?
You sleepy? Absolutely wide awake!
Now, silence!
Nice. Oh, yeah! I dig it!
Oh, I'm gonna bust something, all right. Now, silence! Uncle Woody's tired.
Okay, Uncle Woody. We get it.
Absolutely.
Oh, can we play with a vacuum? Ooh. How about this?
Negatory.
How about a cannon?
No!
Carlo? What about the...
That is enough noise! You kids are driving me crazy!
I'm gonna film this. This is so going viral. I love Uncle Woody's sleepovers.
Now there's nothing left to keep you awake!
Best sleepover ever! What?